Wave safely in key aspect of safe browsing. I would like to introduce to you what is HTTP and HTTP is difference in understanding. What is HTTP is stand for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Considered HTTP to be a publicly accessible website. It is open to everyone and anyone can view the given information. It is comparable to public park where everyone may see your activity. The issue it is since your data is being transmitted, it's planned to text anyone wishes to intercept its might do so it's not 100% secure. Why HTTP is important safe browsing. While HTTP is like a public park, and now we are going to move on HTTPS, which is stand for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secured. Considered HTTP is like a private club, which is the website, and its private club has security guard, which is the HTTP is who ensures that unauthorized individual cannot access the club secret. So think of it as your personal data. So what do I point out about understanding the HTTP and the HTTP is difference? Because it is safer when you browse to the internet. When you know HTTP and HTTP is difference, which is safer. So HTTP should be put through a URL so that it can be safer for you to browse through the website or the internet. How to know and avoid being a victim of phishing scam. There are many types of phishing scam, but one of the most common type of phishing is what we call smishing. This attack uses text messages to lure victims into clicking malicious links that direct them to a fake website that tricks the user to input their credential, password, or their bank account. So how can we avoid being a victim of smishing? Number 1, be skeptical of unsolicited messages. Avoid trusting messages from unknown sender or number. Number 2, do not click on the link. Avoid clicking on the link in unsolicited or suspicious messages. Instead, type of the official website address into your browser if you're needed to verify information. Number 3, do not share a personal information. Never provide a sensitive information, password, PIN, social security number via text message. Legitimate organization typically want request sensitive details through message. Number 4, verify the sender. Contact the company or organization directly using official contact information, not the number provided into the messenger. Check if the message matches official communication pattern. Number 5, watch the grammar and spelling error. Scammer often use poor grammar and ODD parsing that reputable organizations usually avoid. Number 6, use security software. Install mobile security software that can detect, block malicious links or apps. Ensure your operating system and apps are updated. Be continuous with public information. Avoid sharing too much personal information online, which scammers called as crap convincing message.
The internet is a place of unique opportunities for everyone. It is a place where ideas from all around the world are embodied on one single platform. It has become the source of many new researches and the means of connecting from people all around the world. Not only does it connect people to socially interact, it is the place where teachers, students, scholars, and scientists interact with each other through their input on all subjects and get to learn from each other. How the internet today has helped the students is not limited to one sector. It has proved to be a partner for all the technological advances. Similarly, it plays an equally important role in helping students. Here are the benefits how internet is important for students. It starts giving them with information. Huge amount of information about various subjects are presented near your fingertips. It is not just about one single subject. This cannot be achieved without the use of search engines. Through this ease of information, students are benefited for their data research. They heavily rely on internet since they longer need to waste time by going to a library or finding books from a respective author. The accessibility is accessible 24/7, which means that it never closes. As long as the students are having gadgets and an internet connection, they will be able to access the internet by any means. The accessibility of the internet has made convenient for the students to understand their subject better. And lastly, for the communication, students can choose various forms like email, chat rooms, messenger services, and video conferencing. They can also use forums to discuss about their subject matters with teachers and students in various parts of the world. For the students who are hesitant to express their doubts, could use forums and remain anonymous. We are very grateful because we belong to this technology era, since it is regarded as one of humanity's greatest gifts. And we are also appreciated for those with highly creative and clever minds. Because of internet, it has made a significant contribution to the education of students by improving their ability to study and gain knowledge. They use the internet for a variety of purposes, including online